Hello children, here I am with my new video and we are going through exercise 5.4, and as I promised you in my last video that I am going to solve this question because mostly I found that children are trying to leave this question. Why? Because the bigger numbers are there. Why children? You are a student of standard 9, you don't know multiplication. Yes, of course you know. Standard 2, 3 students are doing big numbers, huge numbers, multiples, and why not you? Multiplication is part of mathematics, you have to do that. You can't ignore it, is compulsory. So what I did, I tried to solve the same sum in three different methods. Okay, so maybe you will like any one, so you may follow that one. Okay, and one more thing, in few books you will see that in question here is only 499. These things are similar. 99x plus 100 and y is equals to 499. Similarly here there is no xy, so you will follow the same method. Whatever I'm going to teach you just now, follow that thing, you will reach your answer. Okay, because in my book just now I'm having this book, in other books I have seen that this one is without xy, so you will follow the same thing. Okay, you will solve this sum also, and then if the question is different, do it with this method. So let's see, I have copied this question and solve it with the general method, which is the method of solving. Till now we have followed that method, so I have used that one. So maybe for most of you that is the easiest method. So I have written here solving question 1 and 2. What I did, I transferred this xy this side, 99x plus 101 y divided by xy, so that this 499 will be free. So now what, x cancelled. Separately I have written 99 by x 99x by xy and then plus 101y upon xy. Okay, is equals to 499. Now x cancels, so it is 99 by y 1 y plus 101 upon x is equals to 499. This is equation 3. It came from equation 1. Now we will start equation 2. So I haven't copied the equation, just started next part. So 101x plus 99y xy is divided here is equals to 501. Then this xy separately I have written with 101x and then plus 99y upon xy. So x cancelled, here y cancelled, so here is 101 upon y plus 99 upon x is equals to 501. Now as we can see that there is no xy term, so we can start the sum. Now another problem with these two, now these are our main equation, right? Equation 3rd came from equation 1 and equation 4 is modified form of equation 2, right? So we are going to use these equation to solve the sum. Now as I told you earlier that if your variable is in denominator, you just write assume any other variable. Instead of writing 1 by y, you may write 1 by y is equals to a, 1 by x is equals to b. So we'll follow that thing. So see what I did here, solving question 3 and 4 by elimination method. Just copied the equation because time and again we have to turn the page. Just copied both the equation together, and instead of writing 1 by x, we assume that 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. So now this equation is 99b plus 101a is equals to 499 and 101b plus 99a is equals to 501a. Now I want to eliminate b terms because I am using elimination method. So what I will do, I will multiply this number by 101 and this number by 99. This number means whole equation, not only one number. So I did the same thing. I have written multiplying equation 5 by 101 and equation 6 by 99. So I have written, and whatever I am going to do I have written here, and then multiplied all these numbers on my own without using any calculator, I swear on God. So please do that multiplication on your own. Okay, so 99 into 101 is what, 9999 b, and 101 into 101 is what, 10,201 a, and 499 into 101 is 50,399. Then 101 b into 99 is what, 9999 b, 9,999 b. Then 99 into 99 is 9,801 a is equals to 501 into 99. So you will get 49,599. Now what we are going to do, here I have already mentioned that then subtract the resultant, or you can mention here subtracting equation this by this. So for subtraction I have used minus sign because all are with plus sign, so these two are cancelled, b is eliminated. Now 10,201a minus 9,801a is equals to 400a, okay, and 50,399, when you will subtract 49,599, you will get 800. So a is equals to what? 800 by 400, that is 2. So a is equals to 2, and we are going to substitute this value of a into a in any of equation, any of these two, to get the value of b. So I did it. So 99b plus 101a is equals to 499. So in place of a, for a I have written 2, and when we solve 201 into 2 is 202, 499. So 99b is equals to 499 minus 202. So 99b is 297. So when we will, you know that 99 3s are 297, so b is equals to 3. Then what I have written, as we have assumed that 1 by x is equals to a and a is equals to 2, it means x is equals to what? 1 by 2. You may cross multiply, x is here, 2 is here, so x is equals to 1 by 2, or you may write the reciprocal, and 1 by y is equals to b, b is equals to 3, so y is equals to 1 by 3. So this is the answer. Okay, first method over. Now see the second method. When you will see that bigger numbers are there and you are not interested to do big multiplication, okay, so you want to save yourself from the huge numbers multiplication, then what you have to do, now I'm not going to pressurize you to do that thing, because I'm big supporter of student also. So if you want, don't want to do that too much multiplication, then what? Then this method for you. Those who hate big numbers multiplication, this is for them. Then what those children will do, what they will do, let's see, here is 99x and here is 101x. So this question gave me some hint. What is that? 99 plus 101 means 200. Okay, same as here. 101y and 99y is, if we will add both the things, here is 200x, here is 200y. Okay, and here if we will add these two, we will get 1000. So if here is 200, here is 200, and here is 1000, we can take common 200 and divide 200 and 1000 by 200. So our equation will become smaller. Okay, children. Okay, and if we are going to subtract these equation, you will see, if you will subtract these two, you will get minus 2x. Here you will get plus 2y, and here you will get minus 2. So again your equation will become smaller. Then you can start your method. So first of all, you try to anyhow come out from the big number multiplication. So this method is for them. Adding question 1 and 2, we added, and as I explained you, 200x plus 200y is equals to 1000xy. So I have taken 200 as common. What is the remaining thing? X plus y is equals to 1000xy. So 200 5s are 1000. So I have written x plus y is equals to 5xy. Okay. Now we will use this number. There is no need to do a big multiplication. Okay. Now I will divide this xy here. So xy, x plus y upon xy. So x upon xy plus y upon xy is equals to 5. It means 1 by y plus 1 by x is equals to 5. Okay. Similarly, now what we will do? We will subtract these two equations. This will equation 3. After addition, we reach up to this equation. First of all, we'll add it, then little bit solve the line, and got this equation, because we want to come out from xy. We don't want any term which are multiple of two variables. So to come out from this problem, what we did, we solved the sum and we reached here. So this will be our main equation now. And now we will subtract these two equations, and again we will get some equation like that, and with the help of those 3 and 4 equations, we will proceed. So I have written subtracting equation 3 and 1, 99x, copied the equation minus because all are with plus sign. So when we subtracted, we got minus 2x plus 2y equals to minus 2xy. Then we have taken minus 2 as common. Then what? Then x minus y is equals to xy. So I have divided xy here, and then x by xy is minus y by xy is equals to 1. X cancelled, y cancelled. So here is 1 by y minus 1 by x equals to 1. This is equation 4. So as I told you, with the help of addition, we got that equation 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 5, and with the help of subtraction, we got 1 by y minus 1 by x equals to 1. So we are adding equation 3 and 4. This was our equation, children. So as these two numbers are with opposite sign, both are cancelled. What are the remaining thing? 1 by y plus 1 by y is equals to 5 plus 1 is 6. So 1 by y plus 1 by y is what? 2 by y is equals to 6. Means y is equals to what? 2 by 6. That is 1 by 3. So here is your answer of y. Now you put this value of y in any of equation. You will get 1 by y minus 1 by x is equals to 1. So I have used here value of y as 1 by 3. So 3 minus 1, x 1 by x is equals to 2. So x is equals to 1 by 2. So this is your answer by second method. Now see the third method. If you want to see third method also, then again see what we can do. Again copied the question, and here only I have decided all the numbers by x, y. So we got 99 by y, 101 by x equals to 499. Okay, so this is equation 3. With the help of 1 we got equation 3. So again what I will do for equation 2, I will shift xy here. So I did it, and then when we solved it, we got here 101 by y plus 99 by x is equals to 501. So with the help of these two we will continue proceed. Okay, and so just copy it there, so that no need to turn the page time and again. So just copied the equation. Now then I have written that 1 by a is equals to a, 1 by x is equals to b, then 99a plus 101b is equals to 499, and 101a plus 99b is equals to 501. Now what, as we have learned one method come out from these bigger numbers, so I have added fifth and sixth equation. So I added both the equation, and we found that a plus b is equals to 5. You can see that. And when we subtracted these two equations, we found that a minus b is equals to 1. Now we are solving a plus b is equals to 5, a minus b is equals to 1. B cancelled, a is equals to 3. Similarly we are putting value of a in any of equation, then b is equals to 2. So a is equals to 3 means what? 1 by y is equals to 3. Therefore y is equals to 1 by 3, and b is equals to 1 by x, that is equals to 2. So x is equals to 1 by 2. So here, so at last what we found that y is equals to 1 by 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2 is the solution of the given linear equations. Fine children, I have taught you this question with the help of 3 different methods, so it is your choice. Whatever you want, you may follow that method. But I have written here one more thing, that this solution of this equation is this one also. What? That is, if you are going to put value x is equals to 0 or y is equals to 0, that is also solution of the given equation. This we got with the help of the solution, whatever method you have followed, and reached up to this one, that x is equals to half and y is equals to 1 by 3. But that equation is all valid for this solution is also. It means when you will put value of x as 0 and y as 0, then also you will see that LHS and RHS is verified for both the equation. It means these two are also solution of the given equation. That's why I have written here, when I was solving second method, there was some place, so I have mentioned here. Because there is no place, so I have written here x is equals to 0, y equals to 0 are also. There is no need to write all the things. You may just write only this thing, whatever is the value, and these two are also the answer. Why these are also answer, I am explaining, you try to understand. And when you will write and when you will not write, that also I am going to explain. X equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 are also solution of the given simultaneous linear equation. When we put value of x equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 in LHS or RHS of any equation, we will get 0. You see children, whenever you will see that a term is with x as variable and second term y as variable, and the third term which may be your constant, and that is also in form of some variable, and they both are multiple of the previous variables. It means if we are going to put 0 here, 0, it means 99 into 0 is 0, 101 into 0 is 0. It means overall the sum of 2 0 is 0. And here whenever you will multiply a single 0 or 2 zeros with any number, naturally RHS will be 0. So whenever you will see any equation, when one term is with a variables plus or minus, second term is with a variable, and third term is also product of the both the variable. So you solve the solution, get the answer, whatever you are getting answer of those variables, including that you will write that this solution is valid for x equals to 0 as well as for y equals to 0. Why? Even I have solved it, also verified here. Just see here. For verification, what I did, I have written here, if x is equals to 1 by 2, y is equals to 1 by 3, we are going to check our answer, that our answer is correct or not. So I have noted one equation. You may choose any out of two original equation. So I have taken equation 1, and that was 99x plus 101y is equals to 499xy. And as I have explained you, I just put all the values, and in place of I just copied LHS here, 99x plus 101y, 99 into x, that is 99 into half, plus 101 into 1 by 3, that is the value of y. And when you will calculate it, this is 49.5 and this will be 33.6 and something more. So when you will add, approximately it is 83.1. And in RHS, when you will calculate this, that is in RHS, that was 499xy, and you will put 499 into half into 1 by 3, again you will get the same answer, that is 83.1 approximately. So LHS and RHS are equal, it means our values were correct. Now have you solved, especially I am verifying this equation for zero's value, that why the solution of this equation is x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, that is also correct, because when we will put the value of x and y as 0, you will see it is again verified. So in LHS I have used in place of x 0, in place of y 0. This is 99 into 0, that is 0, and 1 into 0 is 0, and sum is 0. So RHS is what? 499 into x into y. So x is 0, y is 0, overall LHS and RHS. So any value which will verify my equation, it means LHS equals to RHS, it means that that value is the solution of your equation. So whenever we will see this condition, that two variables separately written as a sum or the difference of numbers, and the third variable will the product of these variables, these will be the common answer for those equations. Fine children, I am going to solve similar question in my next video, and that will be question number 3. You will try to understand with the help of that also. Thank you.